We can't ignore that our planet is undergoing climate change. The occurrence of extreme weather events has become more often, which has led to a great loss of lives and property around the world. Some dire countries may encounter a severe shortage of water. On the other hand, floods will put low-lying countries, such as Maldives, at risk. In addition, because of global warming, lots of animal habitats has been destroyed, and it calls animals homeless. So where we are consuming the precious resource and developing natural environment, we should think about the consequence. Global warming. 2011 to 2020 was the warmest decade recorded, with global average temperature reaching 1.1 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial level in 2019. Human-induced global warming is precisely increasing at a rate of 0.2 degrees Celsius per decade. An increase of 2 degrees Celsius compared to the temperature in pre-industrial times is associated with serious negative impact onto the natural environment and human health and well-being, including a much higher risk that dangerous and possible catastrophic changes in the global environment will occur. For this reason, the international community has recognized the need to keep warming well below 2 degrees Celsius and pursues efforts to limit it to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Factor of climate change is a greenhouse effect. Some gases in the Earth's atmosphere act a bit like the glass in a greenhouse, trapping the sun's heat and stopping it from leaking back into space and causing global warming.
Methane is a more powerful greenhouse gas than CO2, but has a shorter atmospheric lifetime. Nitric oxide, like CO2, is a long-lived greenhouse gas that accumulates in the atmosphere over decades to centuries. Non-greenhouse gas pollutants include aerosols like soot, have different warming and cooling effects, and are also associated with other issues such as poor air quality. High temperature surface display breaks 50 degrees Celsius. In Canada, the record-breaking high temperature for 3 consecutive days reached 49.5 degrees Celsius on the 29th. It is reported that more than 230 people have died suddenly. In Pacific Northwest of the United States is also shrouded in high temperatures above 40 degrees, with frequent infrastructure failures, wildfires in Northern California, and more than 1,000 people in Washington and Oregon have been reported to have died from heat. A quarter of the Earth's land is desert. Not only the climate change caused by global warming, but also the decrease in rainfall, the artificial felling of a large number of trees, the expansion of agricultural land in semi-arid areas, and the overgrazing of livestock, etc. Unviable desert areas. The Sahara Desert continues to expand outward at a length of 5 kilometers per year, and the entire Earth becomes a desert with an area of 1.6 Taiwan per year. Little thought we can do. We still should go to great lengths to minimize the consumption energy and use cleaner alternative resources more. Make more use of public transportation, and plant trees or make forests. In the final analysis, as long as everyone does their bit, environmental conservation is likely to be achieved. The battle for climate change is already a change on a global scale and requires challenges, and decision on a global scale become an investment trend. I still need to have my power to unite citizens, face the business climate crisis with companies, establish ambitious goals to reduce carbon dioxide, and find a livable and safe future for you, me, and your descendants.